How should customers looking to prototype medical parts choose a high-standard service provider?
When it comes to selecting suppliers for medical parts, there is a specific logic to follow. First of all, we need to consider their practical use. For surgical components, these parts are typically very small and require extremely high dimensional precision. At this point, the first thing you need to consider is whether the equipment at the manufacturing facility is suitable for the job. Secondly, you need to check whether the inspection facility is equipped with specialized inspection tools. Thirdly, there are some hidden risks to consider. Since these medical components are used in medical procedures, the entire material management system must be strictly controlled. There can be absolutely no contamination, and all parts must be made from environmentally friendly materials. Additionally, the materials must not cause any allergic reactions when in contact with skin. So, taking these points into consideration, the third aspect is to evaluate the factory's laboratory capabilities, whether it can analyze the composition of materials and whether it can perform a 5-stage cleaning process on the product. The fourth point is about the post-processing of parts. For these kinds of tiny medical components, which require high precision, it's not just about being able to manufacture and inspect them. There are also additional post-production steps to handle. For example, can the factory achieve zero burrs after machining? This requires the factory to have a complete set of part processing techniques. Common processes like cleaning and passivation are actually standard, but for medical applications, the requirements are even higher than in other industries. So, combining the 4 points above, when you're looking for a factory to produce medical components, as long as the factory meets these 4 criteria, you can basically start an initial discussion. Then, based on the specific requirements of your parts, see if the factory has relevant experience. Only by doing this can you choose a suitable factory that specializes in medical components. Is that clear to you?